Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are learning how to thaw Swiss meringue buttercream. It seems like an obvious question, but it is not. So we're going to talk about it today. Let's get started.
Swiss meringue buttercream freezes well. That's what they all say. But getting it from a frozen state to a point that you can frost a cake with isn't necessarily obvious. The first step is easy. Take it out of the freezer and let it come to room temperature. It takes about an hour or two. The buttercream will have naturally taken the form of the container it's kept in. But when you try to spread it, this happens. Chunks start falling off. That shouldn't happen. It's impossible to frost anything with it in this state. So the first step is to place it in a bowl, in as many chunks as it ends up being. And start beating it with an electric mixer. You might be tempted to think it's ready after you've creamed the butter, but it's still chunky and starting to separate. You need to beat it for longer than that. After the chunky phase, the chunks will get small enough to look like grains, and the overall consistency will be almost runny. It will not hold its shape at this point, and you might start to feel like you've ruined it. It's not true. It's just a stage it goes through. Continue to beat for anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how stubborn the egg whites you used are. It will eventually turn creamy again and be able to be usable as buttercream. Look how lovely that is. If you found this tutorial helpful, click the thumbs up button, and while you're down there, hit subscribe for more baking videos. However, even a chunky consistency, Swiss meringue buttercream is still really delicious, as my 2-year-old can attest. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.